a Gottlieb Punk sound and speech board, which only uses the sound section of the board. The speech section would have populated all of these parts, including the SC01 here and up through here also. So this is a comparatively simple board to test. I have tested it with some haunted house ROMs, which I'm very familiar with, and it makes all the sounds necessary. So let's go through all the sounds of Punk. First of all, I recapped this board. There are 4 47 microfarad 50 volt caps there and one in the center of the board. One of them looks backwards because it is filtering the negative 12 volts that comes into the board, so it needs to be installed in that manner. There was some prior rework to the board at, so I used 16 and 17, an LS04 and a LS30, and that rework was presenting some problems. Sound 8, which is my blue LED, was always turned on for whatever reason. I never did figure out where the short between sound 8 was and ground, but sound 8 was always turned on. Now I've corrected that by taking the prior rework off and doing it myself. So let's get through the sounds of Punk. Interesting. That was sound 2. Here's 3. Four. 5. 6. Some of these might go on forever. I don't know. I may have to reboot the machine because I don't know what the sound stop command is. Let's try 7 now. I don't know if that changed or not. Let me reboot. And of course I am working on my black hole as the base game. Here's sound 7. Okay. Oh, it did stop. Here's sound 8. No sound at 8. 9. That's cute. 10. 11. 12. 13. No sound at 13. 14. 15. 16. No sound at 16. 17. No sound at 17. 18. No sound. 19. Yeah, get some sound at 19. 20. No sound. 21. 22. 23. No sound. 23, 24. No sound. 25. Cute. 26. 27. 28. 29. No sound. 30. No sound. And 31. So there you have it. Those are the sounds 0 through 31, and you'll notice I was changing the bit pattern in these 5 switches with none of these switches thrown. Then it would be sound 0, which doesn't make any sense. There's no sound 0. But for sound 1, for instance, the switch is providing a path to ground for the sound 1 input pin on the soundboard and making that sound. I have set these dip switches The important ones are really 3 and 4, and on means the attract mode speech is every 4 minutes, which I'm not sure what that's going to do on a board that doesn't have any speech. That was the dip switch specification from Black Hole. Let's see, background sound on. Let's see. Yeah, I should have 5 and 6 on, which I do. Sorry. 3 and 4 were the background sound, or the attract mode speech. And let's let it there and see what it does. Thanks for tuning in this morning. Well, there you have some attract mode sounds.